Why are fireflies little nighttime wonders? Let's dive into their glowing secret. Fireflies are tiny insects with a superpower: they can light up. But how do they do it? Their bodies have three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head has cool compound eyes to see in the dark and antennae to sniff out food. They also have strong jaws to munch on small insects. Their thorax has 3 pairs of long, curved legs for climbing and 2 pairs of wings, one for protection and one for flying. But the real magic happens in the abdomen. Fireflies have special light organs here. When certain chemicals mix, they glow. This glow helps them find friends and stay safe from predators. So next time you see a firefly, remember, you're looking at a tiny, glowing superhero. Keep watching the wonders of nature, and who knows what you'll discover next.